Gold is continued rising in value since the last week when the price has formed this bullish breakout above 3435.49. We can see the price yesterday has come down to the support level, testing as a support, acting previously as a resistance. Now it's acting as a support and continues to rise in value to the next area of resistance, which was 3474.34. Yesterday the price again has gone above that, and we can see today the price has touched that support and then continue to rise in value, where the next target is 3519.18. So currently we can see that the gold is in the bullish mode, the bullish trend is formed, and the bullish sentiment is still active, and as it looks right now, it will continue to rise in value. 3519.18 is the next resistance level as a target. This is a target as this is drawn on the chart with the Fibonacci expansion levels, so we need to see will the price respect that level as a resistance, or it will form another price level as a resistance. We need to see and wait for that. For now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday the price is rising in value. It had problems around 3474.34. We can see the price formed a bullish breakout, then could not manage to easily move up, and then continue to rise in value. We can see in the previous 4-hour time frame session, the price formed a strong bullish candle rising in value, which means the bulls have managed to get out from this indecision range area. On the 1-hour time frame since yesterday, we can see how the price is behaved. The price formed in the morning pretty strong bullish candle and then continued to rise in value. We can see that price has bounced from this area 3482.78, returned back down slightly, and then managed to go in sideways in this range area around this area of resistance, and then finally made a bullish breakout 2 hours ago. What we can expect for today? Well, I'm expecting the price will rise in value for sure, and that means targeting the next resistance level. Will it be 3519.8? We will see that, but this is the daily resistance market on the chart. On the 4-hour time frame, it will be also the same price level, the resistance level 3519.18, and on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that there are several levels in between that needs to be also tested first, and then we'll see will the price respect them, or it will form another levels, and then I will adjust these support and resistance levels. When the price is making all-time high price level, which is currently on the market, we need to wait until the market makes these some kind of a small support and resistance levels, which will act in the future as a support and resistance that we can rely on. So for now, I'm expecting the price will rise in value. Let's see how it goes 1 hour by hour and see how the price will behave. Feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description. So join other traders to receive these updates. When there is a bullish or bearish breakout on the market, you will receive the update. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.